Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have this beautiful 2023 Mitsubishi Mirage Hatchback ES model. Basically brand new car here. So everything's going to be look, feel like new. Clean and clear headlights, of course. Comes powered with a 1.2. This is I believe it's a 3-cylinder. Yeah, 3-cylinder engine. So 1.2 3-cylinder, excellent fuel economy. It's small but mighty. Comes with eco mode, easy to maintain. Nice pearl white paint, beautiful tri-stage. Brand new tires all the way around. Comes with keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors. Nice interior, cool ergonomic futuristic design, ice cold AC, comes with a large touchscreen, 8.5 inch, and then rear backup camera, AC controls, USB connectivity, automatic transmission, and center console armrest here, emergency brake, dual vanity mirrors. Comes with the front collision camera. Yeah, it looks really good all the way around. Really clean. Comes with all-weather Mitsubishi floor mats, split folding rear seats, and it's spacious in the rear seat. Small chips here at the loading panel, but it comes with a nice brushed nickel panel there, spare tire. And then the rear backup camera. The Mitsubishi Mirage lives on for the last 25, 30 years now. Very well-known, documented line of the Mitsubishi cars. So, on the driver's side we have our power windows, locks, our mirrors are here, front collision detection, so it'll give you a warning about to collide. Comes with headlights, fog lights, also has interval front and rear wipers, cruise control, Bluetooth, steering wheel controls for volume. Turning it on, we got 61,000 original one-owner miles. No warning lights on the dash. Comes with an active eco mode. Nice, beautiful stereo. You get Bluetooth audio there. Connect your Bluetooth device, and backup camera. AC's ice cold. Got a replaced windshield, no cracks, no chips. Everything's as it should be. Smoke and pet free, like new. Feels like new, looks like new. So if you're looking for a nearly new, certified pre-owned Mitsubishi Mirage, look no further than this beautiful 2023. You can find this Mitsubishi Mirage exclusively on our website at meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like or comment on any of our videos because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.